Nothing tastes better than freshly made homemade applesauce. If you also don't like store-bought applesauce like me, you've clicked the right video. Today, I will show you my family recipe of homemade applesauce, and it's finger-licking good. Without further ado, let's get into the video. What is applesauce? Applesauce is a European condiment mostly consumed in North America. It is made by pureeing fresh apples. It is very easy to make and tastes delicious. Recipe: to make it you will need ingredients: 2 pounds of fresh apples, zest from half a lemon, optional, half cup water, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Procedure: prep the apples. The first step is to prep the apples. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash the apples and pat them dry. Take a sharp vegetable peeler and start peeling them one by one. Using a fine apple corer, remove the core. Now dice these apples into small cubes. Boil all the ingredients. Take a saucepan and put it on low to medium heat. Add in your water along with sugar, cinnamon, lemon zest, apple cider vinegar, or lemon juice. Bring water to a boil and add your diced apples to it. Simmer the mixture. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat. Cover the lid of the pan and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir it occasionally and then cover again. Cook it until the apples are soft and mushy. Puree the mixture. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Remove the lemon zest if you have added it. Either using a hand blender or standing blender, puree this mixture into a fine paste. You can also use a hand potato masher if you want a chunky sauce. Final touch: the last step is to adjust the seasonings in your applesauce. If it is too sweet, add some lemon juice to balance out the flavor. If it is less sweet, then add some more sugar. If the sauce is too thick, add some water, and if it is too runny, simmer it for another 5 minutes or until you get the desired consistency. Your homemade applesauce is ready. You can store this applesauce for up to a year in an airtight container in your freezer. If you make this applesauce, leave a comment below. For more such content, subscribe to the channel.